Well, hello once again. This is Grease Monkey Radio. This is August 19th, 2024. I think it's about 1:30 p.m. It might be later. Just give you a little update. Yeah. All these guys are doing great. Yeah. Yeah, you see a little black and white one right there. I haven't confirmed it yet, but I think that's a female. There's Mama Cakes. She's a pretty girl. That's a precious little baby. Oh, look at that one there. Yeah. That's her baby too. That's Mama Cake's baby. And over there, that's Baby Cake's baby. And if you look, she's over there. And of course, my new phone won't let me zoom. Can't zoom in and out on a video. What a dumb, stupid thing. I'm telling you, man. My wife's phone's identical to this. She do just about anything. I had this dumb phone, man. Now I got Benjamin here. How you doing, Benji? He's a good boy. Yeah, he's a good boy. Yeah, everything looks good. Been getting a lot of rain. I know the people in the extreme northeast corner up there in Connecticut got some heavy rains. Flooding is horrible. Yeah, extreme flooding. Nothing we've ever seen around here. It's all right, Mama Cakes. It's okay. It's okay. Hi, little baby. Oh, he's such a cutie. He's such a cutie. Yeah, that one is still growing. It's all right, Mama Cakes. It's okay. It's okay. He's a pretty kitty. Here comes Gray. Hey, buddy. How you doing, Gray? Oh, you've been out there in the woods again. You're all filthy, hanging out in the woods again, huh? Yeah, that's okay. I have to get the comb and clean you up a little bit. You're getting a little shabby. Oh, don't, yeah, that's just a boy. It's just a little boy over there. Yeah, I got you some fresh food. Yeah, I got you some fresh food. These guys were literally entertaining themselves all day long on a pulled weed. I pulled that weed up and threw it out in the grass. They've been playing with it for like 3 days now. I don't know where their toys are. They keep disappearing. So they could be in one of the boxes. They could be down on the ground somewhere. I'm not really sure. Yeah, well, we got some, yeah, this is Monday. So last night, man, we got some skip. Wow, we had skip from all over. Yeah, I was picking it up from Chicago. Oh man, Texas. That's pretty much usual around here though, from Texas. Yeah, some down south, and I heard a little bit from out west. Not a lot. Yeah. Didn't hear any Canada. I think there's a little bit too much radio interference going on there. Yeah, hopefully I can get this one here uploaded today. Been having a real bad time with this phone. It's the case, the hard case that I bought is actually kind of soft, and it doesn't have a lot profile to it, so it's real easy to get too close. It's all right, Mama Cakes. It's real easy to get too close to the screen, and then it cuts out, and then I try to cut it back in, but it just does its own thing. So you all right, Mama Cakes? Got a little sniffles going on there. There's baby Cakes. There's the ducks and the chickens. Got ducks and chickens. Yep. Got a rooster over there too, man. Rooster Cogborn. Got my own cartoons right out my back door. It's okay, Benji. Get you some water. It's all right, buddy. It's a little warm there, isn't it, baby? That right there, as you can see, she's pregnant again. Yeah. We're still paying the bill from what we got. We had to take one on man, one of the inside cats. So we just about got that paid off, and then and I'm not sure which one we're going to pick, but we're going to get one of these fixed pretty soon. She's pregnant, so I think she's too far along. I don't know. This one here I'm not going to be able to get. She's ferocious. That's a feral. She's sweet right now until you try to approach her. She's a pretty girl, though. Oh, well. Well, just a small update. Here they're all coming up the same now. Yeah, these are good boys. These are good boys. He's my buddy. Yeah, he lets me give him kisses behind his ears, and yeah, he's still an outside cat though, so I don't try to pick him up. He does not like that. He's a good boy. Oh, yeah. He knows where he's loved. Ain't that right, Gray? You know who loves you. I'm sure there's some other kids around here too. He's probably pretty close to some other ones. He's like a neighborhood boy. Yeah, then I got this other one over here. Oh. He's a handsome little buddy. He's a handsome little boy. You was a handsome little boy. I better watch you. Some girl gonna come up here and take you away. that tail. Get that tail. Oh, he's looking at me. What's the matter, Benji? You taste me and make sure that I taste good. Am I going to be your next meal? I don't think so. I don't think so. Oh, somebody's sneaking up on me. Look at that. He's sneaking up on me. Oh, he's going to get me. Oh, he's got me. He's got me. It's okay, Benji. It's all right now. No. It's okay. It's all right, buddy. I know. I love you too, you know. Yeah, no. It's okay. It's all right. What's the matter, huh? Your ears bugging you or something again? Yeah. You need me to give you some medicine? You want some food? He wants a steak. Oh, come on now. He wants a big giant fish steak. That's what he wants. No hot sauce. Just plain old fish steak. I got some. Oh, I better get something on him. He's gonna tear himself up. When I feed him special, I have to take him in the garage. It's one thing to get some cans of food out here for these guys, but when I try to give that boy there something, everything goes haywire. They go into a feeding frenzy. I'll see if I can clear the garage and get him in there. I'll give him some. I got some kippered herring down there. I'll give him some of them. Oh, you're biting me. Ow. 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 Oh, he's getting me good. Oh, he's tearing me up. Oh. Oh, he's tearing me up. Oh, my gosh. He's got some teeth. Look. He's got some teeth. Wow. 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 At least he's going easy on me. That baby cakes, when she was that big, she was not going easy on me. She was tearing me up. She tore my legs up, tore my arms up. Oh gosh, she was something else. But I kept working with her and she calmed way down. But now if I go up to her, I rub her on her back, she starts growling at me. I don't know where she went. She might have went back out in the woods. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, that heavyweight is underestimating the lightweight. Better watch out with the lightweight in the corner on the wall. That heavyweight one right there. He thinks he knows what he's going to do next. But the lightweight, he's figuring out his strategy on defeat. To defeat the heavyweight. There ain't nothing over there. Come on now, there ain't nothing over there. I love you guys. Okay. We got to get busy on something around this place. Grass is growing. Look how grass is growing, man. We got to mow the grass. Ain't gonna happen. It's been raining. Grass is all wet. Yep. Yeah, we're getting ready for Halloween around here. I'm gonna dress these boys up and send them on out. I'm not trying to scare no kids. I'm trying to scare the adults. Oh my gosh. All right. Grease Monkey, and we are out. Until next time, God bless you all. Enjoy the movie. Better go to the store and get you some more popcorn. All right. Have a ball.